Okay, PPL. So I have my board. I've made sure that I oriented it with the N, which means north, on the top of my table, and it's in the right position. I just have my phone here to help me look at my map. I pulled up my address and where I live. If you have a phone, you can zoom in and out of the area to kind of see what you want to draw. If you're on the Chromebooks, you can do the same. So this little blue dot is my home, and I live on a curved street. And as I look at the board, I'm thinking, okay, where does this best fit? Where is my map of where I live gonna best fit my board? And this is my curved street. This is my street that's like a U. And I'm noticing like points of where things end. And I really like the fact that there's like water near me. So I want to kind of draw these shapes inside my board as well. Now I know from here to here is really far away compared to my board. Because if I draw my U, if I draw this street right here, and then my house is going to be right over here, and this is my U, so my house is like right there. So in my brain, I'm planning, I'm scaling, I'm thinking, how am I going to scale this? So if this street here is Alamanda, and then I would put Prosperity Farms right here. And then I could technically get the water in proportion. If Prosperity is here, then I would do the water shape right about here. That's my mark, just so I know. So that's where this would start. And then I can show these shapes. Now I probably won't get all this in there. I might be able to get like here to here in my shape. So I'm just gonna go in and lightly sketch it in. But just take some time to think and plan it out first. But I do like this being right. I'm actually going to use a crease, this little crack in my wood to represent Alameda Drive. And then over here is going to be dogwood. Right now I'm just going to draw single lines, which I can then put later into the thicker lines I can paint in. Right here is Prosperity. Even though it's not proportionate, it's okay. Prosperity a little way down. Dogwood. Here's this trade line road. Dogwood. And this curves out like this. This is Westward Drive. This probably could be a little closer. Which is why I'm drawing light, because I can always erase the ones I don't want to keep. But it's okay if we mess up, because there's gonna be so many layers that you might not even keep any of these lines. You might not even be able to see any of these lines. I hope I'm not annoying, but alright. So this is Westwood. So as I'm doing, I'm referencing where I'm at. Okay, so this is my house. If I keep going from here to here, so that waterway, Westward, that water starts like right about here. And I want to have the water in it because one, I love the water, and two, I think visually it would be beautiful, pretty to have blue and green tones inside on my board. So this is the water that goes over, and then there's these little channels, canals that go like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could probably put 4 of them. Is it perfect? No. Does it have to be? No. And that's okay. This is your interpretation of your map. So this is my interpretation of my lines, of my aerial. Maybe I want to include a park in here. So I'm going to draw this Osborne Park, this green space, which is pretty close to my house, which is all the way down here, but it's all the way down here technically, like down south, like not even on my map, but it's okay. I'm gonna add it right here because I want to represent it in my map, and that's the only way I can is by putting it in here. So that would be a green space for me. And then I'm gonna go in and draw some other maps and some more lines and start painting. Your goal would be also to be painting in your lines with 2 colors. You could pick 2 colors and just do some tones. And I'll show you that in another video. Any questions? I'll be walking around to help you guys out. But our first step right now is to lay out our map and sketch it in.